Welcome to our video on the 10 best vacuums of 2026. We'll be diving deep into the technology of Dyson, Shark, Roborock, and Miele to help you find the perfect fit for your home. First, we compare the best overall tech with the best value cordless. Features include powerful suction, laser detection, and built-in screens on one side, versus a multi-surface head, auto-empty station, and a mid-range price on the other. Some models feature a high-output battery with 250-plus air watts, but this can lead to quick drainage and high heat. Conversely, AI adjustment in others extends runtime and optimizes performance for different floor types. Now let's look at two popular upright models. The Dyson Ball Animal 3, known for pet hair removal and strong suction, despite being heavy. The Shark Stratos offers an odor and allergen seal, automatic power adjustment, and a detachable pod, but can be bulky. We explore the Miele and Dyson philosophies. Miele focuses on German engineering, a 20-year lifespan, quiet operation, and a bagged system. Dyson prioritizes British innovation, self-righting design, bagless emptying, and a 7 to 10-year life cycle. Comparing filtration, the sealed bagged system offers near-perfect particle capture, ideal for severe allergies, but requires ongoing bag costs. The bagless AutoDock provides cost-free push-button emptying with washable filters, though it needs space for the base station. Moving to robot vacuums, the Roborock Q Revo Curve X features hyperforce suction and hot water mopping. The Dream X60 Max Ultra boasts even stronger suction, an ultra-slim LiDAR, and boiling mop wash with hot air dry. LiDAR mapping excels at quick, precise floor plans, even in the dark, but struggles with cords. AI vision identifies objects, avoids pet waste, and allows remote viewing, but may require light in dark rooms. Robot mopping technologies vary. High-speed scrubbing with downward pressure is great for dried stains and extends to baseboards. Alternatively, self-cleaning rollers offer zero-streak mopping and are best for massive wet spills. The Ecovacs X9 Pro Omni is an award winner, featuring zero-tangle technology and effective muddy paw cleanup, but at a premium price. The Eufy Omni E25 is a budget-friendly option, perfect for pet owners with long hair, offering mid-range value. Modern vacuums showcase smart features versus raw power. The Smart Brain utilizes 3D sensing, LED rings for cleanliness feedback, and app-connected logs. The Raw Muscle focuses on unmatched suction, particle counting, and powerful floor lasers. Hard Floor Masters use soft rollers, lasers, and wet mop attachments for gentle but thorough cleaning. Thick Carpet Kings dominate high-power rugs with heavy-duty bristled agitation and deep airflow extraction, often with corded power for sustained pull. We look at budget-friendly options. The Dream D10 Plus Gen 2 offers an auto-empty dock under $300 and LiDAR navigation, though mopping is manual. The Shark Navigator Liftaway provides sub-$200 power and a sealed HEPA system, but is top-heavy and lacks smart features. It's important to distinguish marketing fluff from true metrics. Ignore inflated claims like air watts at 0% dust load or max wattage. Focus on suction retention, motor cooling, sealed HEPA filters, and repairable batteries for long-term performance. Our top recommendations include the Dyson V15 and Roborock Curve X for those with big budgets or who are early adopters. For the best overall value and 90% of real-world homes, we recommend the Shark Power Detect, Dream L50, and Shark Stratos.